Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the length of 50 fishes. This is important. Okay. Then 2 fishes will be chosen at random. Find the probability that both fishes were longer than 5 cm but less than or equal to 15. This means that first of all I need to find longer than 5 cm but less than or equals to 15. Longer than 5 less than or equals to 15. That means we are looking at this here, 15 plus 13. So the probability would then be 28 out of 50 for the first fish. But after I chose and took out the first fish, what happened to the total number? How many fishes are left? Very good. From 50 become 49. Then at first got 28. I took out 1. Left how many? 27. That's why in this working here, you will see that the first fish is 28 over 50. That's the first fish. And after we took out this first fish, I'm left with 27 fish, and the total number becomes 49. Then of course I just need to multiply them to give me the final answer of 54 over 175. Okay, so this is something to take note. This will be the first fish probability, and this is my second fish. Moving on to part B, we have one fish 5 cm or less, meaning is here. We have the other fish longer than 15. Oh, that means it's total 12. So right, then you can then see that it's either the first fish I choose, the fish that is less than 5, or the first fish I could choose longer than 15, and vice versa. Okay, so in my working right, you can then see that it's either the first fish less than 5, which is 10, total number is 50. Then I choose the one that is longer than 15, which is 12, but take note of the total number. The total number now changed to 49 because I have chosen out one fish. I'm left with 49. Okay, I also find the probability that the first fish I chosen is 12 over 50. Then I still have 10 fish that is less than 5, but now the total number is over 49. And what do I do to these two probability? Yep, I add them up to give me 24 over 245. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.